Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Xero insurance expense categorization and accounts, full guide step by step clearly. Open Xero and sign in to your account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Accounting tab located in the main menu. Select Charts of Accounts from the drop-down. In the Charts of Accounts view, click on the Add Account button. Choose a suitable account type for insurance expenses. You may select either expense or other expense, depending on your preferences. Enter a name for the account, such as insurance expenses. Add a description if necessary, detailing the purpose of the account. Set the account code for easy reference. Click the Save button to create the account. Now, head to the Settings menu found in the main menu. Select General Settings. From here, choose the Tracking Categories option. Click on Add Tracking Category. Name the category, such as insurance, to easily categorize your expenses. Click Save to finalize the tracking category setup. Next, go to the Business tab on the main menu. Select Purchases or Bills, depending on how you record insurance expenses. Click on New Bill or New Purchase to enter a new transaction. Fill in the supplier details and invoice amount. Choose the insurance expense account you created earlier in the account field. Select the tracking category you added earlier, if applicable. Enter additional details such as the due date and invoice number. After reviewing the information, click on Save. To ensure correct reporting, run a trial balance or financial report. Verify that the insurance expense transactions appear under the designated account. Adjust settings as needed based on your review. Communicate with your financial advisor if you have questions about categorization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.